So I'm a big fan of not buying something new until you use everything that you already have. In terms of customer acquisition, I would first look to what you already have in-house. So many companies will have somewhere between 1 to 10 years worth of leads in their CRMs or whatever it is you're using to process incoming interest. And so we routinely pine our old prospects, and we're seeing some really great results from that. What I've learned over the last 5 years working in solar is it takes more than 1 or 2 shots sometimes for a customer to finally make the decision to go solar. And so we've seen customers come through over the course of 4 years, and sometimes every spring for 4 years, they'll come through one of our lead gens, or they'll request a quote on the website, and we'll go out there and we'll educate them further, and we'll show them the products that we're offering that year, and we'll ask them to go solar. And for one reason or another, they may pass, but eventually that interest just continues to grow, their education and their confidence, and then they ultimately pull the trigger. And so it's very important to use your existing network and go back and revisit, because what can happen sometimes is if you're only purchasing leads from 1 or 2 different aggregators, you may meet a customer a year or 2 ago that came in through Solar Reviews or Energy Sage or something like that, and then they might be interested again, but they might land on somebody else's website. And so they might be talking to contractors or developers that are purchasing leads from an aggregator that you're not using. That might be the year they're going to go solar. And so if you don't get back in front of them, they may miss what you're offering. So really big on that. Also, we've been going back and speaking with all of our customers that have been recently constructed, following up, talking to them about their experience. We actually hired an employee that their sole role is to just go back and talk to customers about their experience with Sun Badger. We call them a solar success manager. And so just a real easy phone call. Hey, how was your experience working with our company? What could we improve? What did we really knock out of the park? And then, of course, at the end of that conversation, they're going to say, now that you have solar on the front of your beautiful home, have you had any neighbors? Have you had any friends? Has anybody asked about it? Did you know that we have a referral program that you can access? So that's a really great way to generate business from what you already have in-house.